Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to SuperTech. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to explore the top 10 combine harvesters that are revolutionizing agriculture. These groundbreaking machines are taking farming to new heights. One, John Deere S-Series Combines. First on our list is the John Deere S-Series Combine. With its advanced cleaning system and massive grain tank, this machine ensures rapid and efficient harvesting. It's the perfect choice for those looking to maximize productivity. 2. Class Selection 8000-7000 Series. Next up is the Class Selection 8000-7000 Series. Featuring the APS SynFlow hybrid system and CMOS automatic technology, this harvester offers unparalleled performance in every step of the harvesting process. A perfect blend of technology and efficiency. 3. Case IH Axial Flow 250 Series. Introducing the Case IH Axial Flow 250 Series. With a simple yet highly effective design, this machine is easy to operate and suitable for all types of crops, offering maximum flexibility for the user. 4. New Holland CR Revelation Series. Meet the New Holland CR Revelation Series. With its groundbreaking twin-rotor technology, the IntelliSense system automatically adjusts settings to optimize harvesting efficiency and minimize grain damage. An unmissable powerhouse. 5. Massey Ferguson Ideal. The Massey Ferguson Ideal stands out with its modern design and dual helix and streamer 140 technology. This machine not only optimizes the harvesting process, but also significantly saves energy. Dream machine for every farm. 6. Fendt Ideal. Continuing our journey, we encounter the Fendt Ideal. With its intelligent harvesting system and automatic adjustment capabilities, this machine guarantees maximum performance under all conditions. Perfect combination of advanced technology and durability. Gleaner S9 Series. The Gleaner S9 series is designed to operate efficiently in all weather conditions. Its advanced cleaning and grain management system enhance productivity and harvest quality, a must-have machine for every farmer. Kubota DC93 from Asia. We have the Kubota DC93. This popular choice features a compact design, easy operation, and maintenance. Suitable for small to medium-sized farms, it's a reliable companion for every farmer. Deutz-Fahr C9000 series. The Deutz-Fahr C9000 series boasts a powerful and durable harvesting system with advanced technology to optimize the harvesting process and save fuel, an essential addition to our list. Yanmar AW82V. Last but not least, we present the Yanmar AW82V. With its compact design and easy maneuverability, this machine is suitable for various terrains and crops, offering maximum convenience for farmers. These combined harvesters represent not only cutting-edge technology, but also the perfect balance of performance and durability. They help farmers enhance productivity, save time and effort, and take agriculture to new heights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SuperTech for the latest updates on groundbreaking technology. See you in the next video.